I'm Alexa Langdar, Marketing Communications Manager for Utilities. Today we're at the Exchange in Poreroa and we're about to speak to Peter. Follow me.
Been working here for 16 years at the moment.
Wow, that's a long time. You must have been at high school before you started here.
Yeah, straight out of school. Yep.
That's really cool. So you obviously really enjoy it here. What's your favourite part about your role?
Yeah, love the work. Favourite part would be the variety of work. We get to travel all around the country, sometimes working in exchanges like this or on hilltops doing cellular work.
What's your team like?
Team's awesome. We've got a lot of guys who have been here together for about 15 years, so there'd be half a dozen of us. We get out socially and we sort of all get along with each other. We cover a wide variety of work together and get along really well.
And what would your message be for other electricians who are thinking about joining Downer?
Absolutely, it's a lot more interesting than working domestic work, a massive variety of work, and it's just a great group of guys to work with.